BrainBobble presents How to Make Exercise a Habit Without Stress. Starting and sticking to an exercise routine can be challenging, and given the endless stream of obligations and deadlines you face every day, it's easy to feel overwhelmed and discouraged. But did you know that incorporating regular exercise into your daily routine can significantly boost your mood, increase your productivity, and promote your overall health and well-being? In today's video, we'll explore some practical tips and tricks that you can implement to make exercise an enjoyable and sustainable habit, free from stress and anxiety. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced fitness enthusiast, this video is for you. 1. Schedule it. Scheduling your workouts is one of the most effective ways to make exercise a habit without stress. Start by identifying a specific time in your daily routine that you can dedicate to exercise. Whether it's scheduling your workouts at the beginning or end of your day, finding an exercise routine that fits your schedule ensures that you can stick to your plan consistently. Write down your exercise schedule in your planner or calendar to help reinforce accountability and create a sense of commitment to yourself. Having a set schedule for exercise can also help you avoid procrastination and guard against disruptions in your daily routine, making it easier to maintain a consistent exercise habit. So, take the time to create a schedule that works for you, and stick to it like you would any other important appointment in your life. 2. Find a workout buddy. One way to make exercise a habit is by finding a workout buddy who can motivate and support you in your fitness journey. Having a workout partner can be beneficial in many ways. It can help you stay accountable to your goals, as well as provide you with a sense of camaraderie and partnership. Your workout buddy can be a friend, family member, or a colleague. You can discuss your fitness goals with them and share your plans for exercise routines. By doing this, you can encourage each other to stick to your regimen and push yourself a little harder. You can also have fun together while working out, making the whole experience more enjoyable and less stressful. It is important to find a workout partner who has similar goals and shares your preferences for exercise routines. This way, you can work out together in a way that benefits both of you. So, if you're looking for a way to make exercise feel less like a chore and more like a fun, social activity, consider finding a workout buddy to join you on your fitness journey. 3. Mix it up. Varying your workouts is important to prevent boredom and keep you excited about exercising. By incorporating different types of workouts or exercise equipment, you can challenge your body in different ways and work different muscles. Trying out classes or exercises you're interested in can keep things fresh, and it's always fun to explore something new. Mixing up your routine can help increase your overall fitness level and improve your results by using different muscles in new ways, which reduces the risk of injury or overuse. So, when it comes to exercise, don't be afraid to get creative. 4. Create small goals. Setting small, achievable goals is a great way to instill discipline in your exercise routine. Rather than focusing on big, overwhelming fitness goals, set smaller targets that you can achieve every day. These may include walking for 10 minutes or doing 5 push-ups. The key is to start small and gradually increase difficulty, so you can build momentum and motivation. Record your progress in a journal, notebook, or fitness app, and take time to celebrate your wins to reinforce your motivation. Setting small attainable goals can improve your confidence and help you maintain consistency in your fitness routine. Remember that the main goal is to make exercise a habit and a part of your daily routine. By focusing on small achievements, you can make a big difference in your overall fitness journey. 5. Keep track of progress. Keeping track of your progress can be an effective way to help maintain momentum and stay motivated on your fitness journey. By recording your progress regularly, you can see the impact of your hard work and feel encouraged to keep going. To start, try journaling your workouts, noting things like the duration, intensity, and how you felt post-workout. You can also take photographs or measurements to document your progress visually. Alternatively, using a fitness app to track your progress can also be helpful, as many apps offer features for tracking workouts and setting goals. By monitoring your progress consistently, you can look for trends or patterns that can help guide your decisions about the direction of your exercise regimen. Finally, give yourself permission to celebrate your successes, no matter how small they are. Seeing how far you've come can be a powerful motivator, encouraging you to continue pushing yourself to new heights. 6. Reward yourself. Small incentives can be a powerful motivator on your journey to become a regular exerciser. For example, you might reward yourself with a new workout outfit or exercise equipment, or you can indulge in a healthy snack you've been craving. Celebrating your successes is an important step in building self-confidence and maintaining passion for your exercise routine. Also, it is important that you choose rewards that align with your fitness goals, rather than undoing your hard work. Instead of rewarding yourself with high-calorie or unhealthy foods, choose a healthy alternative that aligns with your goal of staying healthy and fit. Whatever rewards you choose, they can help you stay motivated on your fitness journey as you work towards better physical and mental health. So go ahead and treat yourself. You deserve it. 7. Make it fun. When you make exercise fun, you're more likely to stick with it and turn it into a habit. By finding enjoyable activities, like dancing, rock climbing, or swimming, you get to experience the endorphin rush that comes with physical activity while also having fun. Your body will start to crave this feeling of excitement and accomplishment, making it easier to convince yourself to exercise regularly. Additionally, by making exercise a fun and enjoyable part of your routine, you'll stop viewing it as a chore or something that you have to do, but rather something that you look forward to every day. This shift in mindset will reduce the stress associated with working out and make it a more sustainable habit in your life. In order to make exercise a habit without stress, the most important thing is to find activities that you genuinely enjoy and that bring you satisfaction. Whether it's running, yoga, or hiking, there are countless ways to stay active and lead a healthy and fulfilling life. So take it slow, be patient with yourself, and keep experimenting until you find a routine that works for you. With dedication and commitment, making exercise a habit can be an easy and enjoyable part of your daily routine. And for more insightful tips and mind-expanding food for thought, subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on any future videos. Thanks for watching.